guys, happy new year and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today, as you see from the title, I'm going to show you how to make this simple, delicious, easy shrimp and grits recipe with a little bit of fried chicken on the side while we have a little chit chat, little girl talk. Alright, so the other day I posted a picture of this exact meal and I asked you guys on my community tab, what would you pay for this if you were to actually buy it? And some of you guys' response was was so hilarious, but I appreciate everyone who kept it real and just, was there for me and give me whatever information they thought about it. And I just want to say I appreciated that a lot. Obviously, this dish I'm not going to be will not be available for purchase, but I wanted you guys' opinion because, I'm working on a lot of things right now and my job is to cater to the community and to cater to my target audience. And so, I threw it out there. I wanted you guys to give me your feedback and opinions. But believe me, when it's time for me to be outside, you're going to know I'm outside. You're going to know I'm outside. It's been a long time coming. It's been a long road, a hard process, but things are moving along and I'm pretty excited and I'm happy that, even after everything I've been through, that things are actually still moving along. And I just wanted to thank y'all for giving me your feedback. All right, so everything pretty much right now is nice and prepped and ready to go. So we're going to get to cooking because I know y'all tired of me just rambling along. But I just wanted to make sure I, let you guys know I appreciate y'all a lot. In this bowl, I have flour and cornstarch and all the seasonings. I'm just going to put them all in my description box. But you already know we are all different. People season their food differently. So you don't have to do what I'm doing. Just make sure you season it, the chicken and the flour. But you can check out my description box as well as, if something, alternatives, it's all there. And so after that, I'm going to mix this up really, really well and dredge the chicken. Now, a lot of people like me, I'm extra. I like the razzle-dazzle. But today I'm not doing no razzle-dazzle. I'm putting the chicken right down in the flour and cornstarch mixture. You don't have to use egg batter or buttermilk or anything for your chicken to fry up crispy. Yes, of course, buttermilk and the eggs would make it crispier. But you can do it just like this, old school. And old school Misha's Corner followers, I ain't got no gloves on. If you know, you know, okay? If you know, you know. All up in here with my hands. Yep, I got soap and water. I can wash my hands. But yeah, you want to coat your wings really, really well and let them sit for about 5 minutes. Now to finish off the grits, I'm going to add the cheese, the butter, and some more seasoning. Flag on the plate. I know somebody's going to start in the comments with me using the sliced cheese, but honey, it's all I had in the house. Okay? It's all I had. And I just came back from vacation. No, I was about to go on vacation when I actually made this video. And so I used what I had. Use what you want, use what you have. I don't even think this is the most important part of making grits to me. I think the beginning is like the milk and water ratio and, following the directions on the box because they actually work. So, season it, use any cheese you prefer. Now I'm going to fry up the chicken like I'm doing here. And I'm going to cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes. 8 minutes per side. These are wings that cook up really, really fast. Make sure you don't overcrowd the pan. If you overcrowd the pan, your chicken is going to boil and not fry. All right, so now I'm going to cook up the shrimp. I'm using 3 healthy tablespoons of butter. You want to melt that down really, really well. I'm actually making orange butter shrimp. I think you guys should make this shrimp recipe. It's really good. Yes, I know I can't eat it because I'm allergic, but I know because, I've been cooking 100 years. But after I get it nice and cooked up and seared just like this here, look how beautiful that looks. Don't forget to check out my description box for any information you may need. And so now I'm going to add the juice of the orange. We use the zest to season the shrimp. And then that's pretty much it. You cook it down for another 1 minute and it's done. All right, so now I have the shrimp on the bottom like this. I know a lot of people, another flag on the play. I don't like my food touching. Oh my God, Misha. Oh my God. But this is just a video. You already know when you make yours won't be touching, right? Okay, so I'm going to put the shrimp right on top. The beautiful, perfectly cooked shrimp right on top. With some of the gravy sauce, jus, butter sauce, whatever you want to call it. Then I'm going to add the crispy chicken. I also sauteed up some spinach. It's just spinach with garlic, butter, salt, pepper. That's it. It's, it's just spinach, just spinach. And this is what it looks like. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you make this recipe for your families and your friends. And I'll catch you on my next video. And yeah, love you guys. Bye.